A lot of artists sometimes become disconnected from the culture, from the ground. At the end of the day, I don't give a fuck how much money you get and what you got going on. I'm seeing people in real time fall the fuck off and disconnected from the culture, and they just rapping, they got money, and motherfuckers like, oh, you don't even matter no more. I'm seeing big time artists come out and ain't nobody paying no attention because they disconnected and their content matter. And you know, the stuff that they talking about is not connecting with the ground. We understand that the root hold the tree up. The streets, I don't give a fuck how, if you ain't got the streets, you done. If you ain't, I don't give a fuck how much money you got, how many chains you got on, how many private jets you get on. If you ain't got the streets, if you ain't popping that shit, don't nobody give a fuck.
Yeah, you can go perform at spring break, but we still know you ain't cool.
Once the bottom say you done, you done. You might cross over to the next level, but still, once you ain't popping, they be like, hold up, they're not popping down there no more? Oh no, we don't want them no more. And that's the reality of it. Because you're talking shit that the people at the ground could feel.
You gotta keep people around you like this still in tune. Okay, you up here, but these folks still be in the hood every day. Yeah. My ear still to the streets.
You bring your motherfuckers up. Come on.
Ear still to the streets.
Yeah.
And look at and think about this from this standpoint. Look at Gotti. Gotti was here, and he wasn't got y'all, so he could still be connected. His ears could still be to the streets.
Because he can't.
Because after a while, you get so much money.
You can't be around.
If you don't keep the connectivity, you gonna be the nigga. You ain't gonna know. Niggas will be coming around you saying slang. You confused like a motherfucker.
Cause I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's been a point of time like when I had to shake this shit. I almost found myself disconnected from this shit. Like just going through a lot of shit too. It's like bro, telling me like, bro, you know the hood fucked up. The prices on drink is this now. This prices on weed is this now. But I'm thinking. Like, I'm looking at the shit like it, I had to humble myself, you know what I'm saying? I had to humble myself and understand what these folks dealing with. Right. You feel me? So I damn near lost connection. I was like, damn, for real, this shit like that. Like,
the pandemic money gone.
Exactly.
The hunger is different.
So, call Donald Trump.
You see what I'm saying? DJT. Donald. No, but I'm just saying, you got to stay in tune.
Call Donald Trump.
Because it's real.
Donald had that money in his pocket.
They was running around. They tore that Christian Dior Louis store the fuck up. We was tearing it up. We was, you know what's crazy though? Like I was one of the motherfuckers that was like, yeah. You know why I was happy? I was happy because a lot of our people never got a chance. So I'm happy for. I ain't never hating on them all. I don't give a fuck what you do, how you do it. That's your business. Motherfuckers was happy as shit. The crime was down and tripping in the hood no more, getting shot every day. Motherfuckers wasn't hating that much. They was just out there, yeah. Go to Miami, it was on. It was a different, it was, you know what I mean? So it was like people was happy. Production, like who
the fuck was on the beach?
Who was directing
in-house? A lot of in-house.
Them niggas damn.
I just really did my research on like who then, what's going on right now. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? You still gotta stay, like I told you, gotta stay a student and do your research and homework. I still do homework, bro.
That motherfucking production is unbelievable.
That production, they kept going up. The production just kept going up and going up. And I ain't hear no, and once I was lost because I ain't hear nobody tags on it and none of that. So I'm like, who these niggas?
Paying for the beat anyway, like put that shit, we're gonna figure strategic way to put this shit. If we put the tags in there, we're gonna figure out a way, but you ain't finna hear that on my shit like this. All these tags and different. Shout out to the producer, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make sure you get your shine on. You know what I'm saying? How we can do it, you know what I'm saying? Like right now, shot you out, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, but I take this shit serious. I take my music like my baby, like, you know what I'm saying? I take this shit serious.